Carepatron Beginner Tutorial and Demo. So this is usually just a cloud-based healthcare practice management platform that helps professionals manage client records, appointments, billing, and telehealth services in one workspace. It combines tools like electronic health records, scheduling, documentation templates, and communication features so practitioners can organize patient information and streamline daily operations. Now, you don't need to be a professional to use this as well, since you can also be someone that is getting care as well. So if you go ahead and press on get started over here or start for free, you'll be able to do it all simply and directly in the website. But if you have an account for some reason, just go ahead and press on log in. But anyways, if you don't, go ahead and press and get started. So how you will be using Carepatron: if you're a practitioner or if you provide care, go ahead and choose this option. But if you're a client, choose this option. Now you're gonna go ahead and sign in with your Google or Apple, or you can use your email and then put in a password. That's how you're gonna create a free account. Then you're gonna put in some extra information like your real name, so things get easier in the long run, your time zone, so wherever you are, and then your language. Then press on get started. Once you get started, you can use Carepatron to pretty much set up your workspace by adding clients if you are professional, but you can also schedule appointments using the built-in calendar. You can create or use templates for clinical notes and even intake forms. There's a lot you can do over here, since there is a dashboard, inbox, documentation, and even your relationships. There's some settings over here to just edit and change some stuff around your profile and account, but it's mainly here in the dashboard where most things will happen. You can press a new over here, you can book an appointment, you can upload some medical documents, or you can just put some notes. But it's very user friendly, so you should be able to explore Carepatron as a sole user. But that's pretty much how you can use Carepatron as a beginner. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.